All right, people. Now, when we talk about collabs, it seems like depending on the sneaker, it's kind of lost their flavor, that hype.
Yep.
AMaManiere has been one of those companies that have been killing the game the last couple of years when it comes to Jordans and collabs with them. Now, I've been waiting to get something outside of what I like to call the Yeezy colorways, like these pale tones, neutral colors. And finally, they give us something that I've been waiting for. And y'all don't like them. But I'm telling y'all, get the sneakers in hand before you make a decision. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing and talking about the A Ma Manière Jordan 3 in the diffused blue colorway. Hey, I'm telling y'all, these things right here are fire. Let's talk about it. Hey, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we have another unboxing and look of a sneaker that if you guys are on the fence about copping, I hope this video helps you determine whether yay or nay if you're gonna cop it. But before we get up into this unboxing and detailed look, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, A Ma Manière has been killing it when it comes to collabs. And as I said in the intro, I've been waiting on a different colorway, and they finally hit us with this diffused blue, man. I'm telling you guys, in my opinion, this sneaker is nice. Now, resale and stuff like that ain't gonna be as crazy as the first pair, but I do like this pair better than the first pair. I had a couple of the first ones, and I sold the first A Ma Manière Jordan 3s, and I got a good penny for them. I think I made the right decision when it comes to that, because I don't mess with threes like that. But this pair right here is dope. But let's go ahead and take a look at the box before we dive into the sneaker. All right, so as always, when it comes to branding and marketing and packaging, A Ma does a very good job. So as you guys can see right here, you're going to have this sleeve that covers up the box, has all the A Ma logos. We're gonna slide that sleeve up, and that's what it's gonna look like. Y'all hear it, plastic and stuff like that. And then you're gonna have the actual box that looks like this. As you guys can see right here, it's a white lid box with more of a gray on the bottom. You have your size tag right here if you guys need to legit check your pairs or anything like that. Pause the video, take care of business. And then right here you do have the Jumpman logo in that gray with the premium hole right here that normally goes in the boxes, right? Like I said, Jumpman logo with the flight. We're gonna take this paper off the box, and then on the inside of it you do have more A Ma branding on the paper. They are big on branding when it comes to A Ma. And then you have another set of paper in there. Does come with the additional set of laces, as you guys can see right here. It's gonna be the white pair that's gonna be in here. Or is this more sale? Yeah, this is more white, pure white, and the pair that's in there is going to be a more of a sale colorway. But that is it for the box. Now, when it comes to the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, we do have the standard. If you guys don't know what it looks like, you have this A Ma cardboard tag that hangs here, and then you do have that premium Nike Air hang tag, that plastic, that thick plastic, not that flimsy plastic that we got on some of these retros and stuff like that. But I just want to show you guys off rip, look at the leather quality. If you guys are ever on the fence about quality when it comes to A Ma, you're going to always get quality when it comes to these collabs with A Ma and Jordan brands, so don't hesitate on that. As y'all see right here, they did get away from the elephant print, and you just have a thick suede, almost wool material right there, kind of like an age outsole going along the sides. And then we do have that diffused blue in the back, kind of like a powder blue, remind me of the powder blue Jordan ones. On the back end of these things, you do have that Nike Air branding. The pull tab is a little bit age, you know what I'm saying, but that Nike Air on that booty looks nice, real nice.
Yep.
Behind the tag right here, it does say something on here. Let me see. It says all we have is each other right here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna pull that back. All we have is each other. And while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and show you the insole. The insole in the sock liner is always premium on these. Looks very good. Has that A Ma patch on there. Behind the tongue is nothing there. On this one, on the left one, you're gonna get the A Ma branding right there, super embroidered, and then you're gonna get the Jumpman logo on the right one. So the tongues are different. Continuing along the side, as you guys can see right here, like I said, leather quality is really good on these things. Not bad at all. You got your wool along the top right here, kind of like a rough suede, and the same thing on the back end right here. Like I said, replacing all of the elephant print. More wool right here with a little bit of cream where the lace holders are. And like I said, you do have the laces right here. On the bottom right here, you do have that black with the Nike Air and that diffused blue and the diffused blue pot right here. Super clean sneaker in my opinion. Here is the right one, as you guys can see right here. And again, this sneaker is going for retail. It is not going for, I'm not gonna say it's not going for much because retail is $220, but if you are interested in copping this sneaker, I do think if you hold off a little bit longer, you can get it for cheaper. I do think these are going to follow suit as far as like the 4s and the other A Ma Manières that have dropped recently in the past 2 years, where they will drop in value and you should be able to get them for under the retail price point of $220. What? I'm not saying you're going to get them for $160, $170. Nope. But you might just get them at retail, but that's still better than paying what we was paying for the original pair that dropped the first A Ma 3. But y'all comment down below and let me know down in the comment section, what are your thoughts and opinions? Was this a must cop for you guys? Do you love this sneaker? Do you hate this sneaker? Do you feel like they should have dropped this one sooner? Did they wait too long to drop this? I do feel like if they would have dropped this one second after the first one, this one would have went fed, would have done a lot better, and the demand for this sneaker would have been a lot more. But I do think this is a very good switch up from the other ones, the other colorways that we've had, and I like the fact that they did this. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all already know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, including this sneaker, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get 'em. We got back, we got you, never slack on the route for OGs and the youth. You can